So if I were to go around onto the left side, and here you can see that I have a text. If I were to go around and type in something like, let's say for example, tutor tube right here, just like this, then you can see that I have this text right here. So I can go around and edit out the text as I like. But what I can do is I can actually go around and then outline this text as well so that it works more like a vector graphics. So to do that, I can go around and right click and go to outline text. And once you do that, it's converted into a vector graphics right here. So now the text is no longer editable, but you can see that as I click, you get the points, the editable points right here. So you can go around and adjust out these points right here and pull it out as you like right here. So you can get different effects onto the text as you can see right here. You can also go around and resize this out right here and get the effect as you want, as you can see just like this. You can go around, work around with the edges, pull these out to get the effect that you want. So you can do that with a lot of the letters right here, just like this. So let's say for example, you want to go around and do this, you can see that you can adjust the text out as you like right here. And that is how you can go around and outline text inside a vector so that it's converted into a vector graphics and you can edit it out according to how you like. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.